Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we got Full Out Films Joe here with us. We're gonna dirt bike to our campsite. We're gonna camp out, do some fishing. It's gonna be a great time. Let's get it! We're gonna go over to this canal down here, follow that all the way to the area we're thinking about camping.
You can still go, even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.
Nice bike, bro!
Build a system out of
Those guys that we passed with the quads, I was out ripping with them earlier.
So if we can't find the spot in here, we have a backup right here.
Man, you want one?
No.
You want one?
Sure.
Pretty brushy.
Skin on my thumb flip back, that's all.
From what?
I had a little incident earlier with a tree.
Oh yeah, that'll happen.
I'm joking. No.
I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes. Is there any good campsites around here?
Do you know the bridge?
Mosquitoes back there are so bad. Right now we're gonna go head to the swimming spot, do some cliff jumping. Yeah, buddy.
I usually go camping down there a little bit.
Yeah?
You can go under a bridge and have a fire.
I don't think there's supposed to be any cars on this
Where
trail.
you guys headed? Oh, partying, buddy. Don't get stuck.
I don't think you need to ride out in the water.
Let's see how far I can go.
Bro, you're barefoot on a dirt bike. Yo, I think that's far enough.
It's good, yo.
No further though.
No, no way. I'm in the bud.
No way! No. Marshall's crazy. Just hanging out at the swimming spot, showing Joe some of my gear. He's admiring my telescopic fishing pole I brought for this trip. Maybe catch a pike with this.
I got a different bike with a rack on the back. Ah, stuck on this tree, bro.
Doing a little bit of pike fishing here real quick as we make our way to the campsite. I'm going to use this crankbait right here. Have a good night, Beck. Oh. Bye. Bye, Becky. Look at that's how many lures I brought. Look how many lures Joe brought.
Oh, and I got more.
What are you guys up to? Yeah, pretty nice around here, eh? Next spot, let's go. All right, me and Joe are gonna go down this canal a little further on to the next spot, campsite.
What's the time for sunset?
Hour and a half. I'm gonna go with a spoon, try and get over top all these weeds. What are we doing right now?
Campsite.
No fish. Beauty! This is it! Made it! Woo! We made it to the campsite! This is sick! 1, 2, 3, bonfire in the middle.
He knows all the good spots, right?
Yeah, thank you.
I got my hammock, just food, grill, just other snacks and munchies, scale for measuring or weighing fish. There's headlamp. I did bring the headlamp.
Got a headlamp.
Pretty much sums up what I brought. We got the steak and rice.
Fire. Buddy! My view! That's cozy, Josie. We need a fire. Got some kindling here. Just gonna break it up. Joe's out there getting some more medium-sized diameter pieces. I'm gonna start this fire. Get these bugs out of here. A lot of fish jumping, wow. There's some fish out here. This is wax and paper shavings. Nice and fluffy. That should do it. Shit. Still wants right. Let it ignite for a bit. I haven't done a bow drill fire in a long time.
Lots of fishing is also.
I didn't check the wind direction before setting up my hammock. May get in trouble for that. Go here. The plan is, me and Joe are gonna do some casts before it goes completely dark out here. We're out here. It's pretty cold. I think it's about time to head back. Piece of garbage, a telescopic fishing pole. Clean your toes out for the viewers.
Free toe shots, guys. I usually charge for those.
Do we get a fireworks show too?
No!
We do.
Are you kidding me?
You see it? Oh, that's a good fireworks show. Should I sleep in jeans or comfy shorts? So right now, Joe is hopping on his dirt bike in the dead of night to go to a corner store, get some charging cables because his camera, he forgot charging cables for his camera.
I didn't forget a cable. I grabbed the wrong cable.
So he's got to go all the way to the corner store and get some cables for charge his camera. Good luck, Joe.
Thanks, bro.
See if you make it back. Joe is leaving.
Bro.
See you in a bit. So I set my hammock up on this side, right? All the wind is blowing all the smoke from the fire into my hammock. So I'm gonna set my hammock up on this side. So I didn't have enough selection points here, loops. So I wrapped it around another time. Tight or too loose. I hear him.
Woo! Let's go!
There he is. How was the ride, bro?
Good.
I just found a baby deer laying in the grass. Found a baby deer.
Hey, buddy, we're not gonna hurt you.
We just want to look at it because it's really cute.
I really want to feed him some steak. I'm gonna make some steak if he wants some steak.
It won't eat steak.
Okay. Onions. If I brought onions like last time.
No, I think it likes Doritos. Joe's gonna cook up some
Rice.
some rice, yeah. Double the power. Oh my God, Joe, Can I get off? The rice is pretty much done, eh?
Pretty much.
Some of that Bam Sun spice. Ow, my hand. It's so hot. Oh,
Hot.
thank you. I think it's about done. Oh, get away from the fire.
You got another piece of cardboard like that?
No. Just need some rice to go with it. Steak's looking good.
Here you go, boss man.
Thank you.
No problem.
Joe delivered some rice to me. Amazing is right.
You're crazy.
All right, it's about time for me and Joe to go to bed. See you guys in the morning.
Peace.
Good morning. Good morning, Joe. Yeah, I slept all right.
Waking up because I was really cold, like you said.
Look at me, sleeping bag. Perfect temperature all night. You woke up to stoke the fire?
Yeah, I got it going. Got it roaring a bit, and then I was actually a lot warmer. From like 1 to 3 o'clock, I slept kind of crap.
Oh, dude. Oh.
I would have caught it.
I almost fell face first in the fire.
I would have caught it.
What a good man Joe is. He just started the fire up for us. Made good. A little bit of granola here for Brecky.
Yes, sir. Yo, what up? Crap, I didn't bring any coffee, so this is my caffeine for the morning.
Gatorade and Red Bull. Breakfast of champs. Yeah, so the mom deer leaves for long periods of time, the baby alone, to decrease its scent, eh?
Exactly.
So predators can't find it. So it's not injured, it's just chilling.
We're warming up our rice from last night here. And I'm gonna cook up some sausages.
Ooh, nice and bloody.
It's warm. Yes. No seasoning this time.
Oh yes, I ran. It's getting hot. Changing into just this. Some sausage, some bread toasting up. Be a hearty breakfast. Got a little Griswold here. All right, we're gonna take down our camp and get out of here. Cue the time lapse. Alright, that's it for this campsite. Beautiful site. Now, clean up this fire pit, hop on our bikes, go check out a fishing spot, and then head home.
Lighter.
Yeah, bro, it's crazy.
Fishing spot. Gonna go with this crankbait. Yo, next spot. We are at a new spot. You gonna try again?
Yes, we are.
Got one. Oh!
No way.
Big largemouth. Oh man, that was a nice fish, man.
Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm tired. Let's get out of here. Did some swimming, did some camping, some fishing, almost caught a largemouth there. It's good times with Buddy Joe.
Give me some, bro. Had a hookup.
Almost, yeah.
No, you had a hookup.
Yeah, for a second, yeah. If you guys liked the video, give it a like.
Even when you feel low, you can still go.